Stop using that oil. Yes, the one that is in your kitchen right now. Some oils are secretly harming your health, leading weight gain, inflammation, and even heart disease. But others support digestion, cell function, and even longevity. So how do you choose the right one? My friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which oil to use, which one to avoid, and how much oil is healthy for you. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tiash California.
If you are new to this channel, I am Tiash, a certified health coach from California. I share healthy recipes along with wellness tips in this channel.
But before comparing different oil, let's quickly understand the basics of fats. What is fat? Fat is one of the three macronutrients, while others are protein and carbohydrate. Now why we need fat? Number 1, as a source of energy. Fat provides a back source of energy to the body when it goes low on carbs. Number 2, for vitamin absorption.
It helps to absorb vitamin A, D, E and K.
Number 3, to maintain body temperature.
It works as an insulator to maintain normal body temperature.
Number 4, to protect our vital organs.
It acts as a cushion to protect our vital organs like brain, nerve tissues and bones.
So now you know, we need fat. Not all the fats are villain. Now please allow me to explain different kind of fats, which are good fat and which are not so good for our health. First, let's talk about saturated fat. Ghee and coconut oil are significant source of saturated fat. The relationship between health and saturated fat is complex and still being researched. But it is true that excessive consumption of saturated fat leads to rise in LDL or bad cholesterol in our blood. But some saturated fat do have some potential benefits like coconut oil and clarified butter or ghee. Coconut oil contains lauric acid that have potential antimicrobial properties. Ghee or clarified butter contain butyric acid. The research has shown it has benefits for gut health or reduce inflammation in our gut. But we need to remember that moderation is the key, and how individual response to saturated fat can vary. So it is essential to consider your own health and consult one healthcare professional. Now let's talk about unsaturated fat. Unsaturated fats are considered as healthy fats. Research has found that including them in your diet can improve the good cholesterol, decrease inflammation, and stabilize heart rhythm. There are two kinds of unsaturated fat, monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acids. they are different in their chemical structures. But both are healthy fat molecules. Monounsaturated fatty acids can be seen in olive oil, mustard oil, sesame oil, in most of the nuts and seeds. Now everybody is talking about Mediterranean diet, and monounsaturated fatty acids are the main part of Mediterranean diet. While polyunsaturated fatty acids can be found in fish oil, sunflower oil, rice bran oil, canola oil, they contain both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. There is another one important point to remember here. Our body cannot produce both omega-3 and omega-6, so we must intake that from our diet. And we will explain more about omega-3 and omega-6 later. We already discussed about saturated fat, unsaturated fat, and here comes the last one, that is trans fat. Trans fat is the worst fat found in all processed food and hydrogenated oil. It increases bad cholesterol and linked to heart disease, so avoid trans fat at all cost.
It is found in hydrogenated oils and processed food.
Now let's talk about omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. As I mentioned earlier, both are necessary for our health. But here is the twist. Most of us unknowingly consuming more omega-6 fatty acids, and that is impacting our health very badly. We can find omega-3 fatty acids in most of the fishes,
and plant sources are flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts and many more.
And source of omega-6 are
sunflower oil, soybean oil, corn oil, rice bran oil, processed and fried foods.
Historically, it has been shown that our body evolved with 1:1 ratio of omega-6 and omega-3. But due to Western diet, it has increased now 20:1 omega-6 and omega-3. But if we need to maintain a good health, we need to consume less omega-6 and maintain the ratio between 3:1 and 2:1. Now let's break down the best and the worst cooking oil so that you can make the best choice for your health. For Indian cooking, ghee or clarified butter, mustard oil or coconut oil. It depends on from which region you are belong to. For heart health,
olive oil and avocado oils are best, but these two are little expensive.
For deep frying,
peanut oil or rice bran oil occasionally. Best for overall, rotate oils to balance mono and unsaturated fatty acids and saturated fat. Sunflower oil is high in omega-6 and can cause inflammation. Canola oil is marketed as heart healthy but highly processed and unstable at high heat.
Palm oils are often hydrogenated and creates trans fat that causes health hazards. Not only that, it causes very bad environmental impact too. It is responsible for massive deforestation. harming wildlife. Are you using too much oil? Here is actually how much you need.
The 2020 ICMR NIN dietary guidelines for adults recommend that visible fat or cooking oil consumption be limited to 20 to 50 grams per day, depending on activity level and caloric needs.
Please remember, sometimes healthy oils can also impact your health if your body is not genetically equipped to process them efficiently. Now please tell me in the comments which cooking oil do you use most? If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends and family. Turn on that notification for my latest healthy cooking tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video, I highly recommend you to watch my weight loss video secret next.